Hello students, I am S. Bhardwaj from Bhardwaj टीचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म्स से आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, ये प्लेटफॉर्म केमिस्ट्री और बायोलॉजी क्लास 11, 12 यूपी एंड सीबीएसई बोर्ड का कंप्लीट सिलेबस कराने के लिए शुरू किया गया है और इस प्लेटफॉर्म से आप अपना कोर्स कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, वो भी बिना किसी पेमेंट किए। तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म कॉस्ट ऑफ फ्री रहेगा बच्चों। पिछले वीडियो में आपने देखा था, हमने आपको सेमी परमेंट मेम्ब्रेन और एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस, एडवांटेज ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। आज के लेक्चर में टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, आज के वीडियो में हम शुरू करते हैं ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर को। क्या होता है? चलिए, ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर। ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर दिस इज अबाउट द ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर, the osmotic pressure of a solution is the axis pressure that must be applied to a solution to prevent osmosis. Okay students, that is to stop the passage of solvent molecules. Okay, through a semi permeable membrane into the solution. Okay students, this is about osmotic pressure. What is osmotic pressure? The osmotic pressure of a solution is the axis pressure that must be applied to a solution to prevent osmosis, that is to stop the passage of solvent molecules through a SPM into the solution. तो स्टूडेंट्स, क्या होता है ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर? एक्सिस प्रेशर होता है ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर। वो क्या करता है? प्रिवेंट द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस, दैट इज प्रिवेंट द फ्लो ऑफ प्योर सोलवेंट पार्टिकल्स फ्रॉम सोलवेंट टू solution, that is low concentration of solvent. This is about osmotic pressure. Next, this is about first point, this is about second point. Okay, osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is a colligative property colligative property and depends upon the number of solute particles. Okay, particles, and not on its nature. This is about osmotic pressure. Now simply defined with the help of a simple diagram. What is osmotic pressure? These are two chambers. First of all we draw, after that explain in simple way. Okay students? Okay. Okay. This is SPM, semi-permeable membrane. This is pressure ATM. This is also pressure applied ATM, atmospheric. Here but plus osmotic pressure. Fine. This is solution side. This is solution side. This is solvent side. Okay. Now we explain in a very simple way. According to this definition, the axis pressure. Why called axis? Because normal pressure applied, atmospheric pressure. Here also normal pressure, that means pressure atmospheric applied on these two chambers. ठीक. Finally, the extra pressure, axis pressure, which prevent the flow of solvent particles through SPM into solution chamber, known as osmotic pressure. Also called this process in the way, the process in which osmotic pressure prevent the process of osmosis, that is movement of solvent particles from high concentration to its low concentration through a SPM, also known as osmotic pressure. Or this property is a colligative property and depends upon the number of solute particles, not on its nature. Okay students, this is clear about osmotic pressure. Okay. After that, now determination of molar mass of solute. Now determination of molar mass of solute. Okay students, this is a mathematically portion. Okay, according to this, osmotic pressure, okay, is this is about diagrammatic representation, is proportional to the molarity, that means C, concentration of the solution at a given temperature, that means T. Okay students, thus so according to these lines, create a relationship between this is osmotic pressure directly proportional to molarity, that means C, and also proportional to T. From these two equations, finally generated directly proportional Ct or equal to CRT. This is about osmotic pressure relationship for dilute solution. For dilute solution. Okay, friend, this is about osmotic pressure, where pi is the OP, that means osmotic pressure, and R is the solution constant, that is gas constant. Okay, student. Now, but we know that C बराबर N2 upon V and N2 equal to W2 upon M2, where N2 is the number of moles of solute, number of moles solute dissolved in V liter of solution. Okay, friends. W2 is the now remove some lines. W2 is the W2 is the weight. W2 is the weight of solute. Weight of solute. And M2 is its molar mass. So this is about ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर डेरिवेशन, therefore इस प्रकार, तो पाई इक्वल टू W2 RT अपॉन VM2, but we calculate molar mass of solute. So find the calculation finally formula. So M2 equal to W2 RT upon V into pi. This is about determination of molar mass of solute strand. This is about determination of molar mass of solute. Okay, चलिए measurement of osmotic pressure provides another method of determining molar mass of solute. Okay friends, this is about osmotic pressure. Let's take a screenshot. Okay then, today class will stop here. In next class, explain another important topic related to solution chapter. That means types of solution on the basis of osmotic pressure: isotonic, hypertonic, or hypotonic solution, and also explain Von Thorpe equation, abnormal mass. After that, some important numericals also done in this chapter, and also remaining for this chapter. Okay students, so finally we will stop class today at this time, and after that only one request, all of you, please subscribe my channel and share and like, because this channel completely without any payment, containing all suitable notes and containing material. Okay, thank you very much. Good night.